Hey there! Today we're going to guide you through some effective troubleshooting steps on how to fix freezing or hanging in your computer. So, let's get started. First and foremost, close any unnecessary programs or processes to free up resources. Wondering how to do that? Let's jump right in. To launch Task Manager, press the Control plus Shift plus Escape keys together. This handy shortcut saves you time and immediately brings up the Task Manager window. Once the Task Manager window is open, browse through all the running applications and identify any that you're not currently using. To close these applications, simply right-click on the application's icon on the taskbar and select End Task. This process will stop these applications from consuming your system's resources, which could potentially resolve the flickering issue. Next is updating your operating system and drivers to the latest versions. To do this, click on the Start button, then click on the gear-shaped icon, Settings, in the left corner of the Start menu. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. In the Update and Security section, click on Windows Update in the left sidebar. Then, click the Check for Updates button. Windows will scan for available updates. If updates are available, Windows will list them. Click the Install or Download and Install button to initiate the installation process. After the updates are installed, you might need to restart your computer to complete the process. Next, scan your computer for malware and viruses using reputable security software. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Windows Security into the search bar and click on the Windows Security app in the search results. In the Windows Security app, you'll see various security options on the dashboard. Click on Virus and Threat Protection in the left sidebar. This section is where you can manage and monitor your computer's security. Under Virus and Threat Protection, you'll see a section that says Quick Scan, and then click it. Windows Security will initiate a quick scan to check your system for known malware and threats. This scan is relatively fast and focuses on critical areas. After the scan is complete, you'll see the results indicating whether any threats were found. Remember, running diagnostic tests helps identify hardware issues early, preventing potential system failures. If you are not comfortable performing these troubleshooting steps on your own, it would be advisable to seek assistance from a professional technician. Don't forget, at Tekswipe, we also offer affordable remote IT support services. Visit us at tekswipe.com.au/IT or email us at it@tekswipe.com.au for more information. We hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.